Brad Shannon. I'm on the hardware team here at ButterflyMX, and today I'm going to show you an unboxing of our new key locker. Okay, we've got the key locker out of the box, so let's take a look at the other stuff that came with it. We have a standard AC power adapter, a 12-volt power adapter. The cable here is about 10 feet long, the locking barrel connector. We have a Torx security screwdriver to remove the back plate from the back of the box, which you'll see in a moment. We have mounting screws and anchors. And of course we have the key locker itself. All right, now let's take a closer look at the key locker. The key locker itself is made of painted aluminum. It has 34 compartments, and it is controlled by our keypad product. For more information on our keypad, check out our other video with the link below. The key locker weighs about 25 pounds. It is about 15 inches tall, 4 inches deep, and 24 inches wide. The first step to installing a key locker is removing the back plate, which I will do by laying it down carefully on its face. The back plate of the key locker is held in place by 2 security screws at the bottom. I've already removed one. I will remove the other using the Torx screwdriver included in the box. And with that, the back plate slides down and off the key locker. With the back plate removed, we can easily access the cables on the back of the device. We have an Ethernet port for network and a barrel connector for our power transformer. That concludes our unboxing video of the key locker. For more information, please visit ButterflyMX.com.